Joina, 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 joina umzabalazo, umzabalazo.
Uthetha nodokotela uKhehlelezi, abanye bathi uProf Khehlelezi, indumandumane dumezizweni isihlahla somdlebe nondela mzimba bejebheje mfazone empandla inhliziyo zamadoda ayibomvu. Nabasethethe nabasenyimba nemkhonto kwazi igazi intaba ikhalamanzi dictionary ndaba zithethe umndeni. Uyivile item mkhonto ogwazi igazi, mkhonto, awusali umkhonto. So uKhehlelezi ke lo njengoba sibonibuzile uba ndiyintoni emkhonto. I'm just a member active enza sure ba umkhonto uyaqhubha uyaphambili.
Okay, uba ndingathi kucela usibalisele njengamafutshane ukuba kulonyaka oyi1 ukumkhonto wesizwe intoni oyifundileyo and intoni osanqwenela ukuyibona nokuyifunda emkhontweni wesizwe.
Zininzi into endizifundile sisi, ndifunde eyoqala nje ba yehlisa umoya man. Ipolitiki ungayithathi ngenhliziyo. Xa ungayithatha ngenhliziyo uzawuhambela lesibhedlela. Humble yourself. Be a hard worker. Don't talk too much, but prove them wrong. Ngoba yonke into enzayo emkhontweni bazothi ufuna iposition, but just work the ground because into esifake up you need to learn one thing. Intoni ekuzise apha emkhontweni wesizwe. Uziswe ukuhlupheka kwabantu or maybe ukuhlupheka kwakho. But if you came for your own intentions, sizawuqhawuleza sikubone. But xa uzele apha ba sihluphekile phakula video yethu or phakula ward yethu, siza kubona ba no matter what ipolitika akuyona lento othuka abantu uhambe uyothuka abantu. Don't swear umkhonto wesizwe, respect iskipa somkhonto wesizwe and always funa ukubona umkhonto wesizwe to another level. Iyona lento endiyifundile emkhontweni wesizwe ba kufanele sihloniphane.
Okay, njengoba ufola and ungumuntu ophethe abalaphi bendabuko, ningabalaphi bendabuko nithini kwiSouth Africa iyonke jikelele ngomkhonto wesizwe and ngoba imkhonto wesizwe uzobhiyozela unyaka waye wokuqala, ngomphi umyalezo enithi nina ningabalaphi bendabuko nogqithisela kubo?
Ama difficulties endijongane nawo kubelaphi. By the way, ake sithi Khehlelezi akaphathanga man. Eish. He's an active member, very active. And awujonga prior back eminyakeni esidlule kuyo. There was a time where I was being chosen as a deputy president of our traditional leaders. So maybe we will take that into consideration. And into enjongane nayo difficult. Abelaphi, it's gonna be difficult to kuyilungisa into yabo because sizibona singcono omnye ungcono kunomnye nomnye ungcono kunomnye. So bafuna ube patient and also relax, ba explainele, ba understand because some of them banalantu ba hayi mina ndazi iparty ekhona ileyana naleya. Into esifuna ukuyibona nala aba sebejoinile umkhonto wesizwe, sifuna ukubona abelaphi being represented in National Assembly. Also sifuna ukubona abelaphi behamba beyofuna abanye abelaphi badukizana apha emkhonto. Umkhonto wesizwe, it's not a KZN organization only. It belongs to the national, South Africa as a whole. So wherever you are watching here, it's not the organization as a KZN. We need those traditional healers from Limpopo, from Giyani, from Kimberley, wherever you are. As long as you are a spiritual man, come to Mkhonto wesizwe. We'll handle it.